this video I'm just going to do a quick video of Temu diamond paintings. Now they do seem really cheap on there, so I thought I'd just get a couple to try and just to see what they're like. Obviously they're different sellers on there and stuff, so they might not all be the same quality, but I thought they were so cheap I thought I'd just test them out and see if they actually were any good, because I know some diamond paintings can be really expensive. So this is one of the ones I got. So it actually looks pretty good. It's clearly marked out everything that you need. Like, it's got the, what do you call it there? The reference of the colours, what each of the colours associated to the letters. Is it letters or numbers? Yes, letters. So the stickiness is wow. I've already done one of these. Oh, this is better than the one I've done it before. Yeah, the one I've done before, the stickiness actually went quite far on the white bit as well. This one looks like it's just on the actual picture, which is good. Yeah, there's nothing around it. Okay, so that's better. Better than the last one anyway. So obviously you get that. You get all the colours. And yep, they seem to be marked really simply. You got the number of the colour, which is the number on the packs. And then the letter. And then this will be the actual number of the actual shade, like the official one. Like this universal that's used for everything, I assume. So, yep. Then as usual, you'd get a little stylus-y thing, pen, the wax, and the tray. So, all looks good. So, just for a couple of quid, it's not bad. As I said, I already had another one which I'd actually already completed, and I've trimmed down because, like I say, the outside was sticky. I'm actually thinking about putting this in a 3D frame and some stuff in it, but I'm not sure. I don't know. If you've got any ideas, let me know. Yeah, because I want to display this one nicely. This one actually, there was a bit more pink than I liked. Like the white is actually a tad pink. It doesn't maybe look like it here, but as soon as I opened like the pack of these, looking at the palest one, which was meant to be white, it just looked like a really pale pink. So yeah, the bit, some of these I think should be more of a reddy than a pink, or maybe like more grey tones. And that colour, the teal colour, kind of like slightly looks out of place in these two. That one, it looks fine. But I suppose when you're like further enough back, can't speak. Further enough back, it actually looks good anyway. So maybe it's just because I'm up close. But no, I'm happy with it either way. Because like I say, a few quid, it's very affordable to do. So I have ordered more, and I have more coming, and I might do a video of me actually doing one of these, maybe just like little clips and stuff. Not a full video because obviously it takes hours to do. But yeah, they're actually really good. So I've chosen a few more. So I'm going to see if they're all pretty much the same from different people, or if maybe the quality does change dramatically and you just got to be lucky. Who knows? I'll find out when the package arrives. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Make a patchwork of our choice, scratch a line.